Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can connect Microsoft Teams to n8n. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, make sure that you are logged in to your n8n account, and then you're going to click on Personal, and then you're going to choose the workflow you want to use for this action. Then, we're going to add first step, and we're going to search in the nodes for Microsoft Teams. We're going to click a trigger, and then from here, we're going to click on Create New Credential. The next window, click on Connect My Account, and then n8n will then ask us to sign in our Microsoft account. We're going to give it permission by clicking Accept, wait for a few seconds, and that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!